RGTI stock analysis and RGTI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play and all that good jazz. We're sitting at $10.88 with 2% correction. How I'm observing this is actually quite simple. Now, before I get into the details, I've had so many receipts with RGTI in the Discord, like 41 results popping up. The swing idea still stands. Like over the last 4 trades that I've taken, 1 is pending, 2 are done, wins, 1 break even. And unless I see like a shift here, I guess, above 12.18 and onwards, then I guess I'm not going to be entertaining the idea of buying this whatsoever. But Mr. Sickle, what happens if you keep breaking beneath 1032? That's why I will keep you updated, right? So all I'm just going to stick to is my rules that I've tested for 5 years. And if you want to stay tuned with RGTI and want to learn how making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.